Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will learn how to use flash fill function. Okay, so by using flash fill function we will we will extract first name from this column, last name from this column, email ID from this column. We can create the email ID by using this column, and also initials. If you want to extract initials from this column, it can do all these things. Okay, so this is very powerful tool in Excel. Okay, so what to do if you want to just extract first name? So what you have to do, you have to just type in one cell. Okay, and now select the all column where you want to flash fill, then go to view, go to data, then here you will see flash fill option, or you can just click Control E. Okay, so you will see it extracted all the first names. Now last name, you have to type just Gupta. Okay, then just select and flash fill. Now for creating email ID, what you have to do, you have to just Rahul Gupta. If you want to add 6343, okay, and at the rate at gmail.com. Okay, now just select all the column where you want to create the email, just click on it and it will create according to your pattern. Okay, according to the pattern. Now initials, if I want to extract RG, initials of the first name and last name, just select all the column, click on the flash fill, and it can easily extract the initials. So like this you can use flash fill function in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.